So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing a very peculiar power bank. Now this power bank is from the Portronics, and if you haven't heard about this company, then let me tell you, this company aims to make some lifestyle products like keyboards, power banks, chargers, earphones and all that stuff. So yeah, they aren't in the mainstream market of smartphones or PCs or laptops or graphic cards and all that, but they do make some accessory stuff like this power bank and some of the chargers, cable and many more things. Now talking about the build quality of this power bank, this comes in this all black design, and basically this is all plastic. Let me tell you. So as you can hear, this is all plastic, there is no metal or anything like that, and I don't really have a weighing balance on me right now. So judging from the weight of this is easily around like 300 to 400 grams in weight. So yeah, it is not that heavy considering the size of 20,000 mAh battery. Now another interesting thing about this power bank is that it features a display right here. Now this display is used to mention the battery capacity of this power bank, like how much mAh or how much percentage of battery is left. Now it also is used to like charge the power bank, and it will let us know that how much percent the power bank has been charged. So yeah, that is amazing in my point. Like this power bank costs 1200 rupees, and in that price range they are giving you a solid 20,000 mAh power bank. That is an amazing feat in itself, and on top of that they are also giving you this display. Now let me turn on for you. So yeah, as you can see now, right now it tells us what is the battery percentage of this power bank, and I've been using this power bank quite a lot because of the power cuts and all that stuff. So gotta keep my phone charged. Now let's talk about the ports in this power bank, and this power bank comes only with two ports, that is one type A and one type C port, and both of them support 22.5 watt charging. That is combined, like if you are using one of these port, like if you are using USB A or USB C, from one port you will get 22.5. so if you divide, like one device is charging from USB A and another is charging from USB C, then it will own that, then it will divide the power output by 2. So yeah, there's that. Now since this is a huge power bank, I can charge my devices multiple times with it, and I have been charging my devices multiple times with it. Now my main device, that is the Samsung Galaxy A52s, comes with a 4500 mAh battery, and my secondary device, that is Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, comes with a 5000 mAh battery. So it can charge these devices multiple times, like easily 3 or 4 times, and that totals around like 18,000 mAh, and 2000 mAh might be lost with the heat that it generates. And that brings us to the topic, like yes, this power bank does heat, and especially in temperatures, Indian temperatures, North Indian temperatures particularly, this power bank really does heat, especially when like there is no electricity. That is the main purpose of this power bank, like when there is no electricity to charge your device or anything like that, then the temperature, the ambient temperatures are quite high, and therefore this device does heat. It is not at an alarming rate, like you can pretty much hold it even when it's hot, then but yeah, it does heat, and it also heats the device is being charged with this power bank for some reason. Now I don't know why that happens, but yeah, there's that. And to charge this power bank, like I have a 25 watt Samsung charger, and to charge this power bank with that charger, it easily takes like 3 or 4 hours. It's not mentioned anywhere that how much input it can take. No, I am guessing that the input is similar as output. It can charge via 22.5 watts, or consider even less. they won't really give like fast charging input and then a slow charging output. That makes no sense at all. Now for safety features, Portronics has integrated a smart D2 identification chip, and its purpose is to detect overheating, overcharging and short circuit that may cause it to burst or catch the flames. And yeah, that is basically it about this power bank. And because the charging speed is very low on this power bank, you can't really use it to charge devices like your laptops and all that stuff. That's something you should keep in mind while buying this power bank. Now, should you buy this power bank or not? My answer is definitely yes, but there is a condition. Now if you are in a situation like me where you can't really charge your laptop with power bank anyway, like my laptop right here doesn't even charge via type C port. It does have a type C port, but it does not charge via type C port. It has an proprietary port. So yeah, in that case it doesn't make a difference to me if I can or can't charge my laptop with this power bank. And I exclusively use this power bank to charge my other devices like my phone, my watches, my TWS and my neckband and all that stuff. So yeah, in that condition you definitely can buy this power bank, and it is one of the cheapest 20,000 mAh power bank from a renowned brand, not some random brand like which you can't even trust. And for some reason, if you are comfortable with lower charging speed like 22.5 watt charging which this power bank brings, then you can definitely go for this power bank. It is definitely a value for money product, which Portronics is generally known for. So yeah, that concludes my review of this Portronics power bank. And if you like this video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.